talk a little low because it is currently $10 at night, and I'm sorry if the lighting sucks. The kids are finally asleep. Gracie gave me a little bit of a hard time tonight, but this house is a freaking wreck. So I just figured I would let y'all watch me clean. Cleaning videos to me are very motivating, so that's why I want to make some more cleaning videos, like more often, maybe like once a week, like every, say, Monday or every Friday, you know, something like that. I used to have a set day, which was Thursday. That was only when my husband was working. But, I mean, he's still working, but he's not over the road. That was only when he was over the road. Now he's local, but he's gone all night. But that's only for a couple of more weeks. Excuse the mess. That's only for a couple of more weeks. So I'm just gonna get started cleaning and bring you guys along with me, and let's get started.
don't you, oh, baby. Oh, baby. Then I would cry, oh, baby, baby. Then I would cry.
Okay, you guys, so that's a wrap for this cleaning night. I don't know why I'm so out of breath. I'm so out of shape though. I've been on this new medicine and it makes me have hot flashes, like really, really bad, like more than normal. And I got my tubes tied back when I had my daughter Crimson, and I don't know why. I don't even know if it's a side effect, but after I had my tubes tied, I noticed that I have hot flashes all the time. It doesn't help that it's summertime, but I have to sleep with a fan on me every night, and I have never ever sweated so bad before in my whole entire life. Like, I could run and run and run and then still not sweat as much as I'm sweating right now over this little stuff. Okay, it wasn't all little, but I did want to put a disclaimer that all the stuff that I swept from in the floor in the kitchen, that was all from today. Like, I clean my house every night, and no, I'm not perfect, but I make sure my house, my dishes are done every night. I don't really sweep and mop every night. As you just saw, I just swept, and the only reason I swept was because I don't sweep every night. The only reason I did was because when I cleaned off the stove, I don't know if you could tell, but there was like bits and pieces of meat when I was cooking hamburger helper today for lunch that got on the stove, and so and I don't put my pots and pans in the dishwasher. Well, since I got this new set of pots and pans, I haven't been doing that, but my old pots and pans, I did do that. My old pots and pans were Rachel Ray. These are the Pioneer Woman. I love that cooking show. Love it, love it, love it. So I would say I normally don't let my house get this bad, but if it happens that day, then of course it just happens. Life happens, and we actually left today after all that happened, and so I normally don't get a chance to clean till the kids go to bed anyway, but that's all gonna change once the hubby starts day shift, and I'm so excited. It's only a couple more weeks, so I'm just hoping nothing changes, and I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video here, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm hoping it's not too long, but after I speed it all up, it took me about, let's see what time it is right now. It is 11:29. It took me about hour, 15 minutes, hour and a half, something like that. There's probably not a lot of difference between 15 minutes, but I didn't have any distractions, so yeah, I plan on doing a nighttime routine, a morning routine, almost a daytime routine, a nighttime routine, a morning routine. I don't really have a routine that I do for cleaning. I just do it. I'm really out of ideas. So if you guys have any suggestions about what video I should do, just leave them in the comments. I have a pimple right there. Anyway, just leave them in the comments. I do want to do a makeup routine. I have changed tremendously the way I do my makeup, and so I just wanted to show y'all, but I don't ever put makeup on unless it's the weekend, and so I just don't know. I don't know when I'm going to get a chance to do it. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below what you want to see next, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.